I'm at the store with the supposed name called Borderless European supermarket, but everything is in Russian. The pickles has a sign in Russian. Sunflower seeds is in Russian. Every product is in Russian. The sign must be clickbait, but it turns out it's 100% Russian store. Sign is in Russian. Helsinki is there British? No. Boom. Oi sok. Another quest. I mean, what's funny is that the only scam I got is the title story, but with the candies, everything is in Russian. They got the sauce. They got sauce, man. Real Russian sauce.